What's up, ladies and gents? Today we're having a look at the
Load shedding.
we just did load shedding. Like I was saying, this is the Gizzu GPS 150. The power station has a capacity of 155 watt hours or 42,000 milliamp hours. It can be charged using not only the power from Eskom's grid, but via your car or even solar. This power station also has a USB output, which includes a USB-A as well as a Type-C with an output of about 18 watts, which can charge any mobile device quickly and efficiently. Like you can see, it also has a DC output with a rated power of 150 watts and a peak power of about 300 watts, which means you'll be able to confidently run your Wi-Fi setup and one or two essential lights when you most need it. The Gizzu power station has a lifespan of more than 500 charging cycles, and it comes with a short circuit and overcurrent protection, over voltage and under voltage protection, as well as overload and temperature protection, ensuring the safety of all your devices. Thanks to this portable power station, we don't have to sit stranded in the dark due to load shedding. So if you guys do want to see a more in-depth review on this, do let us know in the comments. Have a look on our website www.evetech.co.za. Give a like, follow, subscribe, share, do all the social media things. We'll see you guys in the next video.